How to identify best sellers on Amazon. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about how to identify the best sellers on Amazon. Upon registering as an Amazon affiliate, it's time to move on towards deciding what your niche or topic will be. As mentioned before, being an affiliate, you can make recommendations, do product reviews, or just discuss about certain products in an effort of selling those products. When picking a niche, it is common sense to choose one that sells. Ever wonder how some people can significantly increase their Amazon affiliate sales and increase their commissions exponentially? That well-kept secret is the best seller list. Many businesses will create a best seller list. The music industry and book industry have been doing it for decades. You can identify what products are most wanted by online customers and decide your niche according to the category. Here in this video, you'll find a list of resources to identify the best sellers on Amazon. Spend some time browsing through the resources, research for the best-selling products currently, and filter your results to match your interest. The list below will be very helpful in guiding you to decide a best niche for your affiliate business. Amazon Best Sellers List. What's better than an in-house tool? Amazon.com is the biggest retailer of physical products, and the site itself has offered a couple of tools to help you discover what are the popular and wanted products currently. Go into Amazon.com's website and look for the tabs on the top. There are 6 ways to search for the current hot-selling products: best sellers, top-rated, hot new releases, movers and shakers, gift ideas, and most wished for. There's also a column on your right, the category column. That's where you can get some ideas on deciding a niche. You can refer to the image below for guidance to navigate your way to the website. Google Shopping from Google.com is the most widely used search engine on the internet. You can find out about the most searched about products on the tools Google has on its webpage. Go to Google.com, search for the tab on the top, and click on to Shopping. On that page, you'll see plenty of products selling from different stores. You can get a rough idea on what's selling best as well by searching for the popular This Week tab. There is also a seasonal items tab where you can find products that are popular for this particular season. EzineArticles.com is a platform that accepts submissions from authors for free and feature them on the site. Submit your article there and they'll give you a maximum exposure to the site's audience, who each has huge number of email list members. This means that your article stands a chance of getting that amount of exposure. Many internet marketers use this site to gain exposure, so you can use it to do the exact opposite, which is to obtain information on the markets and products that would sell well. Check out the site and look for the Shopping and Product Reviews category. You'll be able to find ideas from this site because a lot of outstanding internet marketers use this website to promote and market their products and articles. This is by far the best resource to do your research on finding a perfect niche. It's the ultimate information bank for you. Guess what? You can custom make your own bestseller list on Amazon too. This list can be posted on your blog, in your articles, or among your content on your website. Why should you have your own best sellers list? Customers love to be a part of trends. We claim we are unique individuals, but the truth is we are social creatures and we want to know what others are doing. Nobody likes being left out, so naturally we'll want to be on the same page as others. We want to be as trendy too. And everyone loves shortcuts. We like to be given suggestions, tips, or recommendations to find something that appeals to us. There are numerous benefits of having a best sellers list. Sales. Whenever you produce a list, you should be able to see an increase in your sales on Amazon. Well, of course, assuming the list you made links to the item on Amazon. Conversion. Although the conversion rates vary, you should enjoy a conversion rate that was higher before your list creation. More commission. A higher conversion rate means more sales. More commission. This will potentially increase your commission rate from 4% to 6%, since you're required to only sell 7 items for the increment to happen. Lastly, there's a secret to having a good best sellers list. You don't want to have to be changing your list weekly, as this requires time. Simply choose items for your list that will stay popular at least for a 4-week period. Some items will even have a longer shelf life. Do some research on that and you'll make a good list that will help you earn more than you can.